What's going on, guys? So in this video I'm going to teach you on how to clean all caches, temporary files and junk files in Windows 11. So it's a very straightforward process, and yeah, let's get straight into it. So in the search bar you're going to search for disk cleanup. As you can see here, disk cleanup. Open that. Okay, and it'll say make sure to select whatever disk you want to clean up. So I want to clean up disk C, which is my main Windows drive. Click on OK, and you'll have this pop up and listing all of the temporary junk files that you need to clear, and once cleared you can see this is the amount of space you can. So mine is very less, so for you it might be more than 20 gigs. So yeah, okay, so you can just check whatever cache files you want to delete. So I don't want my DirectX shader cache, temporary files, my recycle bin, I would like to clear that, and yeah, practically yeah, that's all. So I'm just going to click on OK and delete files. So let the cleanup run. It will take a while, so be patient, guys. So basically yeah, it will just end like that and the junk files are cleared. So now I'm going to teach you on how to flush your DNS. It's a very simple process. You're going to go into your search bar, open CMD, okay, right click on it and click on run as administrator. Click on yes. Here, okay, you're going to use the command ipconfig space /flush DNS. Enter, and it will say successfully flush the DNS resolve cache. So basically yeah, this is to clear all of the cache and make sure your system is running clean and smooth. So that's all for this video, guys, and yeah, thanks for watching.